Hi all, welcome once again to my channel. Today's topic of lecture, as you can see in the screen, it's Thymeleaf using Spring Boot. Well, in our previous whatever lectures or tutorials, in that we have discussed about the backend portion. We have discussed about Spring REST API and Spring security, authorization, authentication, everything. But we haven't yet figured out that what would be the front end of every of this backend code. So Spring has a wonderful dependency of this Thymeleaf, where we would be able to see that what kind of dependency that needs to be put into the Gradle build, so that we can incorporate some of the front-end changes and we can proceed with the entire full stack code. As you can clearly see here that here in our build.gradle file, we are implementing with the Spring Boot starter Thymeleaf. Along with that, for the further future venture, we have put in the data JPA along with Apache Derby. So basically what's our particular piece of code is doing. So first of all, let me make you go through this folder structure. As you can see, this is the within the main folder with Java and resources. In the Java one, we can see that there's one controller only there, which is the Thymeleaf controller, and the main Spring Boot Thymeleaf application class. Let's see what's there in our controller. We have two APIs. A method here, what you can see that we haven't used any REST controller here. We have used with the annotated one, only single controller. And in the request mapping, there are two tags values. One is a demo, which would be redirecting you to this demo, returning a demo string, and in the home it would be returning an index string. So what will be the what are these things? Basically, demo and index are nothing but the HTML files they are returning, the resources, just like the MVC concept where the resources are returned here. So where is our resource location? Here within this resource we can see that there are two folders, static templates and application.properties. Application.properties are used to change for the configuration, any type of ad hoc configurations, which we haven't done here, like the change of the server port. But in case of this templates, you can see there are two HTML files. In one of these is the demo on Thymeleaf, as this you can see the simple text body. Now once our application is up, I have deliberately put that up so as to make this video much more crisp and handy for you people. So you can see that once we are hitting this, we are getting at the local host this /demo that welcome to Spring Boot on Thymeleaf, and also the title head, there's a demo on Thymeleaf. Great. Now what will happen is, what's our this another controller request mapping is returning is, we are using this home, and you can see that there is a wonderful page it's landing on with different functionalities. And later on, we would be in another of a video, we would be integrating this with the REST model, REST APIs, and that would be quite interesting, and that's coming soon. So let's come back to the code once again. Here in this index.html file, here is the basic everything, the CSS dependencies and all, and a basic front end for implementation of the prospects. And within this static folder, as you can see, there are CSS file, fonts and images, and JavaScript files are all present. So it's a very crisp and basic thing. With the help of Thymeleaf, you will be able to wonderfully integrate the backend and the front end. So a platform is ready, so you can jump into the coding and you can do anything you want. And here is their page and everything. It's a very basic one with that we would be covering very soon. Well, it was a short one. Hope you like it. Once again, as for the previous videos, all the code descriptions and things will be provided in the description section, along with the GitHub link of this code if you like to know it. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe it, like it, and hope for the best, and best videos are yet to come. Thank you.